Hi developers, in this tutorial, I will show you how to create a router guard in Angular 5. Protecting routes using router guards is a common thing in web application development. As a wonderful framework, Angular provides a very easiest way to create routes guards. Let's start. Notice, in this tutorial, I'm going to use new Angular application to create and demonstrate routes guards. But, you can create your own route guards for your existing project using this tutorial. So, we need to create a new Angular application using CLI. If you want to see how to create fresh Angular application, follow link in the description. ng-serve-open command runs new Angular application in browser. If your installation was success, you can see running application without errors. Okay. Now we have to create login module, dashboard module, auth guard, and auth service. Notice, login module and dashboard module are optional. You can use your own modules as your choice. As an example, if you want to navigate the user to profile rather dashboard, you can execute corresponding code snippet in profile module. To create above things, run following commands consecutively. ng-generate module login --routing. ng-generate component login. ng-generate module dashboard --routing. ng-generate component dashboard. ng-generate guard/auth. ng-generate services/auth. Now open app-component.html and remove all the code keeping router outlet tag and save changes. Then, open login.component.html file and create login form. Here I'm creating only login button. Add some styles to that. After clicking on login button, the system saves access token in local storage and user navigate to dashboard. In this tutorials I use my_token as access token. In your case it may be JWT token, OAuth token, etc. Then, set router path in loginrouting.module.ts file. After that, open dashboard routing.module.ts file and set router path. Save all changes. This is the time to set up router guard. So, open auth.service.ts file and create a RxJS behavior subject instance with default value, false. Then, define hasToken method to check whether current user has a token or not. Also, create set logged in method to update logged in status of logged in $stream. Save changes. After that, open the auth.guard.ts file and subscribe for logged in $stream in that guard. Declare login in status property with default value, false. Also, set new status to that property in callback function. Save all changes. Open appmodule.ts file and import auth service and auth guard. Save changes. Then, open approuting.module file and define routes for both modules. Run application again. As you can see, our root guard is not working until now. But our routes are working properly. This is the time to activate our root guard. I activate root guard for dashboard. So, an user who does not have token, can't visit dashboard. To demonstrate the execution of our root guard, I create logout button in dashboard. When clicking on logout button, the access token is removed from local storage and user is navigated to login page. Oh, there is error. It is because the method names in both files are not same. Okay, now we have done. When user try to navigate to dashboard without an access token, user is automatically redirected to login page. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.